Once upon a time, there was a strange new thing that everyone was talking about. It was called butter coffee. When I first heard about it, I thought it sounded yucky. But then I saw my mom drinking it one day and it looked kind of cool. So I asked her what it was, and she told me that it's coffee with butter in it. I thought that was really weird. Butter is for toast, not coffee. But then she let me take a sip, and it was actually pretty good. It tasted like coffee, but with a creamy, buttery flavor. I didn't understand why anyone would want to put butter in their coffee, but my mom said that some people think it's healthy. She said that the butter gives you energy and helps you feel full. I don't know if that's true or not, but it sounded interesting. The next day, my mom took me to a fancy coffee shop where they had all kinds of different drinks. I saw something on the menu called a Bulletproof latte. I didn't know what that meant, but it sounded awesome. When the barista made it, I watched as he put coffee, butter, and coconut oil into a blender. Then he blended it all together until it was frothy and delicious looking. He poured it into a cup and handed it to my mom. I begged her to let me try it, and she finally gave in. I took a big gulp and it was amazing. It tasted like a latte, but with a hint of buttery goodness. I felt like a grown-up drinking such a fancy drink. But then the funny part happened. We went home and I asked my mom if we could make our own bulletproof lattes at home. She said yes, but only if I promised not to tell my dad. Why can't we tell Dad? I asked. Because he thinks it's silly, she said. I didn't understand why anyone would think bulletproof lattes were silly. They're so delicious. But I promised not to tell Dad anyway. The end. So there you have it, the magic of butter coffee and bulletproof lattes. It may sound weird, but it's just another fun adventure in the world of food and drink. And who knows, maybe one day you'll try it, too.